So you're thinking of creating an online video for your business? That's a great idea. Many businesses are using the power of video on their websites. Online or explainer videos can not only help with your website ranking, they can also provide your customers crucial information to help with their buying decisions. And once created, you can not only use your video on the website, but embed it in your next newsletter. Tweet it out, post it on your Facebook page, upload it to YouTube, and don't forget the other video sites. Remember, your explainer video doesn't have to be dry and formulaic. Use it to show a little personality, maybe inject a bit of humour. A voiceover narration can really add to the viewer's experience. Now, I know you want to, but try and avoid the temptation of recording it yourself. Use the services of a professional voiceover artist. So, are you looking for a voiceover narrator for your next video? Would you like me to record you a quick free custom demo? Send me a script now to alison@thephonevoice.com.